They can offer. They can
track.
I say, move baby, walk. Asquire, ya, you may be an actual.
Bantama, they say about football. But I mean,
over Daddy Canon.
Now, I'm trouble. What your man Ponte? Man Ponte, one fresh here. There because he would be a phone line. 0243 114497. What can your project a call?
Project projects no you can see it.
You can see that. What you man Ponte? Why do you write 64%?
What's a percentage?
Back now, Mupamu boys in what's on Man Ponte. Back now, Mungi percentage. Percentage 65. This is unfair. This is unfair. Government can never do this. This is terrible. This is dangerous. This is so cacophonious.
You are disgracing yourself. We have strong journalists. Obi can't just what you are there. Or say, Ajuma we when am I send Makwakodu.
Now it is unfair. I don't know you can was him. I don't know what you can was him. And now can you want them? I don't want to take. Can you want them?
O problem am what
see can you want them?
O problem am no one say.
Can you want them?
No.
You don't define we are not my editorial policy for me here.
Policy.
I sit here, I do what I think is the best for my people,
it is not the best
my listeners. Anyway, your microphone is off. Now listen, let me educate you. Kwasi, let me educate you on journalism. Kwasi Chey, let me educate you on journalism. Abai afankofo tia wo moka. Spend millions of cedis at the Aqua various districts. All launching was say they have sought experts to go out and do this for more than 1 year. And yet you are and I bind the abba. It is me, the journalist, to assist Matthew for say the abine so dear bano. Sanet here. Me ba na better ha. Hey, ya never say. Why you bantama dear? More draw the government attention. O microphone off to areas abanye. Then we can tell the government say abaye. What say why you way? And that is wrong. Yet Kroma 2016. What was it? Me Papa Nyameke. Me old fida demu. Ye ko area to area. NDC Green Book. You were jubilating. Kwasiche was jubilating. You were happy. You are unfaithful. You are unfaithful. You are very, very much unfaithful. Now say NPP the tracker. In fact, I've not even started. Me tracker where me not starting. I will dive into it. I will interrogate it. I will, in fact, go into details. Kofi Asante.
Kofi Asante didn't throw. Abai no say. Asukwadie na ya no Kofi Asante si anya. Me ya no Kofi Asante si anya. Batma de Kofi Asante si anya.
Bantama de da ho
obi ahu ne say.
What Mamponte was why 65%. And that is not true. Because your Pamo boys are Bobo Mamponte. Yentibi Kranye day. Of course, Mr. Kroma and maybe a phone line, sir. Mamponte. Mamponte will drive what? I don't know. One for a contract, I don't say what goes into that 65%. 65%. Now, would you park it down on 65%? Well, parking that one boys, Bobo. Our Pamo, my floor. Who 2 boys in the Bobo? Who are 65%? Because let's be sincere. Let us be sincere.
The way you're not just saying, what person we are anti government.
Oh, so when we were doing Green Book, Kofi Asante was not anti government. Kwasiche was happy. Kwasiche was enjoying Kofi Asante. You were celebrating Kofi Asante. Kwasi, for once,
say Yabaha, let's see Yabaya Juma. That Juma na Yabaya, Abano Yafane say.
Kwasi, we can't hear you.
The bow, men found.
na aban ma me green book what aban project kwasi aban project achievement what to 20 agencies what to just ediama Zongo is that an achievement a government in power after 8 years kwasi this is not fair what to justice ediama Zongo and that is an achievement. We invested thousands of dollars. Every aqua report. Also, I got to Jesse. Any set of justice to Zongo community. 28. Go to Zango project. And what track and it's Kofi Asante na Troy. Because I have not started this. Because I have not started.
What starting that? You know you never
started. You will enjoy me. Because take away home. You will enjoy me. Before God and man, you will enjoy me.
When we go say say, we see abanin yahwe. Wa babusia, wa diska, and the second aba. Go one.
The other music akwaya and say what to just.
What anya no kwa.
Kofi Asante, yetime. Who come me salary a month yet more than 5,000. The who catch a minister the old koto just. Why do you tell me say achievement I achieve as a government? Yes, one of them.
Anyway, but now will be a wishim. I point out first to me, but Tieme, acquire our first one. Projects may be Baswa, Wokas, abaning yaka. They just said, who was in your car by someone.
Journalism is not PRO. You don't understand journalism. Journalism is not a public relations. That is not my work. That is what you need to do.
Your work. It is your work. No. Well, yes, sir. Now we are ungrateful.
Journalism is not public relations. That is why I give you the opportunity to come and say,
no.
Talk about government. And nyame adma 17 aban e ba be commission amari me ba hey yes amari project say terminal 1 yes anwoma so terminal 1 I have acknowledged it. We have mentioned it. Me what you say edu ho ade impact de be ba no me aka ho asem
me say tama no mu ye tonsu kwan Kofi Asante we ana betra studio ha ana mfuturo kwankofo ani
na mfuturo kwankofo
ana de afa ye wie na kan wasema o se anya madwuma ada na anya wadwuma
enti ye wie Ghana ni be nanim si ya wie atonsu
Ghana ni be nanim tama na mfuturo kwa Ghana for se na nanim Ghana for se na nanim se mfuturo kwankofo ani wonye grateful kakra be grateful obi enu wa wakasa abana wie bibia
but
you are not being grateful you are not being honest
Kofi,
you are not being truthful.
Kofi, the issue is that and a minimum baby more for question free but no, you see, minimum the point you are coming from. That's not my issue.
The point I'm coming from.
The point is that yen and opay tena AstroTurf now can me set you for a tier 40 year. Me bo bantama de cracker say bantama de na rombo me kojina ho. But you no. Me say bibia from beka no. The fact is that track and Kofi developing track and admitting that my phone
NDC Green Book ebe kroma
now we track a 67 project why here you crowd what do you mean
Kofi Asante me krom for boys bobo mo to just mra
I don't what I can do.
Yeah, the way back. Do you list this as your achievement? Do you list this as your achievement? Last year, physically challenged wheelchairs, any clutches near there more than 1,000. Chain wo kwada so. I don't want from who told Jesse? Who tell in your community abobo? Who crowd to Jesse ma? Is this an achievement? For government with some akoto Jesse. Now my church say my achievement.
I don't know who are myopic. I don't want book ni nyinam.
Mami me be me suit.
Mama be suit no.
Very bad.
out of about
any the insincerity on the part of political party personalities. Yet Kroma Kofi Asante Babenya a bitter name because of NDC Green Book. And Kwasiche was a beneficiary of NDC Green Book. You were the greatest beneficiary of NDC Green Book. And Kwasiche track abenti. Ma Kofi Asante nka wasem. Enti the all can say one taste Kofi Asante. Aye Green Book da. Kwasi congratulations for being unfaithful and ungrateful.
With all due respect, me no one discuss Green Book.
Mate, onkai. Okura wini me. Nya akoma ha nka ni me.
Ana etosu me. Kofi man ye ungrateful. You being ungrateful no say. De bia no. Ade bia wo be ka ho asem. Aye be ye ho adwuma no. Uzusu say no there is over because obi anim. But I don't know obi anim ade no. Na tam ade no wo ho no utimi be ka ho asem. Na ndese aban na timi ayi ni se firi ho a. Ano de ye ka to say Kofi Asante ka ho asem a. Wo anya madwuma, anya journalist, anya PR. Wo ye zana no you being ungrateful. And then money be bro wa wo de wani ehu. Wo say ade we yaye. Ade we yegusu ayeye. Ade we do percentage say. Ipa ne ba no the project bi ba. No ka se wa ye wi a. Na we ano na ya betimi aka ho asem. Na mo cho so wo percentage say a. It is up to the people to decide. What number 2? Obeka say edano me ba ha. Me ka cho say Dodovino be ka cho say almost eye hospital. I will confirm it.
Yeah.
Me ka cho say ready. Me bow say want me anfo anu anka. Adenta.
Because making kind man.
What me ankan?
Making kind man.
1 billion eye hospital no.
I read it for you.
Edano me buy me site na ma say Kofi kan ma ye nyina ye ntie. Who said that kata wani sa say want me nka.
Anyway.
Wo say wo kan wo ba be show.
Kwasi wan na be show kruma.
Adenti no one kind. Because we didn't talk. We didn't talk kese no kra no. Ya wo mu kase abesi hospital.
Thank you. Kwasi my started discussion. My started
what I say, what bra wo mu ni sanya mahama na si ya.
Thank you very much. Kwasi mama na wasi.
Mama see eye hospital bia wo.
Kwasi, we are not discussing eye hospital. Thank you very much. We've done that. Let's move on.